What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We'll talk a little bit about some decals. And I got a mail call here from a fellow modeler. Sent me some other decals. His packaging was amazing. He used this water resistant. And I first saw this, I'm like, oh man, I want one of these. I want one of those garbage trucks. He's building one right now, and I'm working on making some garbage cans for him, some dumpsters, like the ones back there. Running test prints and stuff. But I had sent him some other stuff, and he said, hey, you want some decals? And he showed me his folder he had, like something you would put film negatives or photographs, you know, plastic sheets. Oh my gosh, those are in such great shape. I mean, they look even better than they did in the pictures. So because of these, in light of those NASCAR decals, talk a little bit about those in a second, we're going to go racing. Boogity, 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 boys. I didn't know what I was going to do. These were kind of the last ones of the year, and I was sort of looking through the stash, what to do, what to go on, what next. This was a new in the bag, sealed, but secondhand buy, and this was a auction win. It was bagged kit, but the decals on this one are just toast. I mean, there might be one or two in there that I could salvage, but it's always kind of sat on my shelf like, what am I going to do with it? You know, it's a nice old school monogram kit. No, it's not the Snickers. The decals are in the box. It was an auction win. It was kind of what you see is what you get thing, but it was all there. So in light of these other, which one is it? Come on. I mean, being a photographer and a camera guy, this definitely checks some boxes for me. The Kodak. Not only that, it's got one of my favorite drivers back when I followed NASCAR. I kind of gotten out of it. I don't know if you can read it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Old Sterling Marlin. Last time I watched NASCAR was when he lost the race because he got out of his car to make some repairs.
Sterling Marlin is jumping out of his car. He's going around to look at the right front fender. But, oh, he can't do that.
You can't work on your car under the red flag. That's the NASCAR rule.
Black flag. Good old boy. No, get back in your car. So we're going to do that. We're going to make these work on that. Different era. And these, it's not the correct year. This was a 2006 car, and, you know, Dale had passed by then. But it's very similar. Very similar in body style, and not only that, my model, my rules. So we're going to do one. We're going to do this one. Do it up for Dale. Do it for Dale. And then do another one to go with it. I got this recently and hadn't opened it yet or anything because it's, you know, it's a cool monogram, but it's the 1/24th scale. They're bigger and weirder than everything. So, in light of those and this 1/24th scale Revell, that's all there. It's all in great shape, and the details on this kit are just incredible. I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it. So thanks, Dan. Props, man. Thank you. I'm gonna get your trash out to you soon. And these other ones, I was gonna play with these and put those decals on that one, and gonna try with these. I've got another fellow modeler and also fellow YouTuber said he was gonna send me some of these. They were gonna send me some, and I used a couple as a test on these. I'll continue to see how many of them I can make work. There's a couple that, like, there's a really bad crease right down the middle of that one and that one, so I anticipate that they won't cooperate. But these are simple. Blow those out. And I just wanted to share this real quick that, you know, cool, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a cool fellow modeler. I never would have built this one because of these. I'm not a Dale Jr. fan at all, and moreover, I don't drink anymore. But even when I did not like Budweiser. I wouldn't.
No, man. Shit, no, man.
But there's some cool stuff, and they're all steel for sure. Like the car tape, definitely. You know, the headlights and all that other stuff. But none of that's gonna go. We're gonna do it for Dale. Boogity, 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 boys. Let's go racing. So I got one cheapo aftermarket battery, and I reformatted the card and updated the firmware on the cameras. We'll see if that works. You know, so far it worked for the video that you just watched, but anything at length, I don't trust them. I just do not trust them to stay powered long enough to do long form videos. But whatever, I'm rambling. Just want to let you know that we may be back to 2 cameras. We'll see.
Camera 2, camera 1, camera 2.
That's all.